In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix generative fill not working in Adobe Photoshop. If generative fill is missing or grayed out, don't worry. These quick checks usually solve it. First, make sure you actually have something selected in your image. Generative fill only appears when a selection is active. Use any selection tool from the left toolbar, like the lasso tool or the object selection tool, and draw a selection around the area you want to change. You should see the marching ants outline. Now go to the edit menu and look for generative fill. If nothing is selected, that option will stay grayed out, so this is the most common fix. If you don't see the generative fill option appear on the screen at all, enable the contextual taskbar. At the top, click Window, then confirm the contextual taskbar is turned on. When this is enabled, Photoshop will show a small bar near your selection with the generative fill button right after you make a selection, which makes the workflow much faster. Next, check your internet connection. Generative fill runs on Adobe's cloud servers, so you need an active, stable connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or briefly toggling Wi-Fi off and on. Once you're connected, make a quick selection again and see if the generative fill option becomes available. If it's still grayed out, make sure you're signed in to the Adobe Creative Cloud app. Close Photoshop first, then open your Start menu and launch Adobe Creative Cloud. Confirm that you're logged into your Adobe account. Not being signed in is a frequent cause of generative fill not working because the app can't verify access to the cloud features. While you're in Creative Cloud, check for updates. Running an older version of Photoshop can cause compatibility issues. Click Updates, install any pending Photoshop updates, then relaunch Photoshop and test generative fill again after making a selection. If you've tried all of that and it's still not working, temporarily check your firewall. On Windows, open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender, and open Windows Defender Firewall. Click Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, then temporarily turn it off for both private and public networks. Click OK, return to Photoshop, make a selection, and test generative fill. If it starts working, turn your firewall back on right away, and consider adding the appropriate exceptions later. That's it. These steps resolve most cases of generative fill not working in Adobe Photoshop. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more practical Photoshop tips and tutorials.